A factory reset completely erases all personal data and settings from your Echo Dot, returning it to its original out-of-the-box state. This process is useful for troubleshooting device issues, preparing the device for gifting to someone else, or selling your Echo Dot. For the second generation Echo Dot, you'll need to locate two specific buttons on the top of the device: the microphone off button and the volume down button. To perform the factory reset, simultaneously press and hold both the microphone off and volume down buttons for approximately 20 seconds. During the reset process, you'll see the light ring turn off completely, then turn back on again. The reset is complete when the light ring turns orange, indicating the device has entered setup mode. Once you see the orange light, your Echo Dot is ready for setup. You can now reconfigure it using the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet, just like when you first got the device. Before factory resetting your Echo Dot, there are several important considerations to keep in mind. First, if you plan to gift or sell your device, you must deregister it from your Amazon account. You can deregister your Echo Dot through the Alexa app on your phone. Navigate to Device Settings and look for the Deregister option at the bottom of the Registered To section. If your factory reset doesn't work immediately, don't panic. Try rebooting the device and then leave it idle for up to 48 hours. An important consideration is that the second generation Echo Dot may have security vulnerabilities due to its age. It may no longer receive security updates, making it potentially more vulnerable than newer devices. Consider upgrading to a newer Echo Dot model for improved security features and ongoing support. Amazon often offers trade-in programs where you can receive credit toward a new device. Amazon frequently offers trade-in programs for older Echo devices. You can receive an Amazon gift card and up to 25% off a new qualifying device when you trade in your old Echo Dot. Finally, remember that different Echo Dot generations have different reset procedures. The method for the second generation differs from the first, third, fourth, and fifth generation models. Always verify the correct procedure for your specific device generation.